Hey, imagine you are chilling with your buddies, scrolling through social media, dealing with exams, breakups, or those endless FOMOs from social media. Professionals who are navigating through their careers, work life balance, deadlines, and promotions. Do we really know how can we navigate through his life? But Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor from like 1800 years ago, wrote this private journal of him who called it as Meditations to keep his head straight amid wars, plagues, and palace politics. It's Stoicism 101, controlling what you can do, how you can build your mindset, and letting go of the rest to crush your life like a boss. So, future legends, let me introduce you to the Stoic philosophy, where we can break down the ultimate self help book from a guy who ruled an empire while journaling through the chaos. So, Marcus Aurelius was an emperor when Rome was at its peak. There were gladiators, conquest, but also betrayals, and death everywhere. Stoicism? It's not about being emotionless, it's about hacking your brain so that bad days, failures, and quarter life crisis don't own you. Let us talk about the book 1, which was the first part of Marcus Aurelius' book Meditations. Book 1 is all about gratitude and foundations of character of Marcus Aurelius. This is a book which says what Marcus learned from other people. Book 1 is different from all others as Marcus lists the people who shaped him, his father, mother, teachers, and his mentors. Because before you build discipline, you must understand your formation. Book 1 shows us that character is transmitted, virtue is modeled, leadership is inherited before it is learned. Now let us go person by person who taught him what things. So, the greatest teacher of Marcus Aurelius was his grandfather Verus. What he learned from his grandfather was good morals and control on temper. Now, just imagine a young Marcus observing an elder who didn't explode under irritation and anger. Young Marcus is asking his grandpa, "Why don't you respond when insulted, grandpa?" And grandpa says, "Because anger gives control to other people." So, guys, this is not a rule. This is a behavioral model in which he learned from his grandfather. He understood that emotions do not need expression to exist. A deeper layer to this emotion is that children do not learn calm from instruction. They learn it from watching regulated nervous systems. They learn it from watching the people around them who are calm and composed under the situation which can fire others up. And just imagine if you are behaving in such a way, in a calm and composed way, in situations where anyone can just light up and fire up, just think that how much power it gives that person to deal with that situation. Let me just give you a modern example. If you work in a very high stress environments, like if you are a doctor, if you are into finance, corporate leadership, your team watches how you react and what you say under pressure, under certain situations. And this is the way how your character builds up. So, guys, Marcus's first lesson which he got from his grandfather was that control your emotional temperature.